So this is the Verizon hotspot that we have to go with the car. We're going to keep it in the money box, but in order to use the square terminal, which is the white box that we have here
Out in the field.
out in the field, it can be used without any connection, but to provide a Wi-Fi connection directly, this little box does it. And there's a power switch on the back that Gary's holding his index finger to right here, and you hold that until it says ellipsis on the screen. It takes a minute or so to boot up, but once it's booted, it'll be providing a Wi-Fi, and you'll see a little blue light flashing on the right when it's up. And that's really all you have to do. Is it'll be in the money box. You have to turn it on though to support the square terminal.
Okay, it's ready now.
And so now to turn it off, when you're done and at the end of the day, you just hit that same button, you hold it down until it says goodbye, like that. And that's all there is to it. You can walk away and you're all set. Happy hunting with with the car.
Okay.
Thank you.